calls are constantly dropping or failing on iPhone 11, it could be a network issue. Often removing and reinserting the SIM card solves it. Or you might have to wait for the network provider to fix the problem if they are causing it. If these are not the issue, there might be some software issues causing the problem. Check out this video for how you can fix it. If your iPhone 11 is not running on latest version of iOS, it could be causing various software issues. So check if it is or not. If not, it could be the reason behind it. It could happen due to some software glitches, so you can do a forced restart to fix it. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. You could fix the issue by resetting the network settings. It will erase all the network related information, so it could fix the problem. Launch Settings app. Go to General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will take auto restart and all the network related information from the iPhone will be erased. So guys, these are the ways you could fix call failed or call drop issue on iPhone 11. That's it for now. We hope you liked the video. You can check out our iPhone 11 playlist for more videos about it. Keep following Apple Tricks for tips and tricks for Apple and Android devices. Thank you.